in my opinion, I think even the threat of all these tariffs affects the economy greatly, number one. The uncertainty is something that makes people unlikely to want to commit to purchases, especially if you're particularly like an ASD consumer is often buying products 6 months, 9 months in advance, and they have to worry, what if by the time this is going to enter commerce in the United States, there's an additional tariff on board? Uncertainty is very dangerous. I also think the steel and aluminum tariffs are dangerous for our long-term security, really, even though they were entered into under national security. I have a concern that when you make important industries less globally competitive by making imports artificially expensive, that it's unlikely for companies to continue to invest and keep their industry as modern and globally competitive as possible. So I really hope that we can see the elimination of these tariffs and see people start to invest in their companies and make sure that U.S. producers are as globally competitive as anybody else in the world.